Hey guys, it's Drew here. Today I'm going to talk to you about a first aid hack that you can use for the rest of your life. And it's just a great thing, and I figured it out myself. Some people probably know how to do this, but maybe not. So if you're working on cars a lot and things like that, you know, you're probably going to have nicks and scratches on your fingers. And what happens when you wash your hands when you got a Band-Aid on? Well, most of the time the Band-Aid comes off and you got to put it back on, and it's frustrating. And, you know, the Band-Aid gets wet, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm going to show you today how to resolve that issue. And it's something I figured out. I don't think I found this anywhere online. I just figured it out myself, but a lot of people may realize this or not. But I'm doing this to help you guys today. And, you know, if you find this video, also check out my other video on how to remove a Band-Aid painlessly. Obviously, in your fingers, it doesn't hurt. So, but if this video helps you out, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe and watch some of my other videos. And heck, even share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter and anything else, you know. So, what we have here is my finger with a bandage. Well, as soon as I take a shower, wash my hands, it comes off. Now, you know, I usually leave a Band-Aid on for a day or two, sometimes 2 days, depending on, you know, how long I want it to heal. I usually put Neosporin under it, and I want that Neosporin to take effect. So, here's the tip. This is electrical tape, okay? Now, this is black electrical tape. You can get electrical tape in white. So I think you see where I'm going with this. You know, you definitely want to, I would say use white electrical tape if you can find it. This is not that sanitary tape or whatever you buy for like $6 a roll at the first aid store area, but your Band-Aid is basically going to be your sanitary thing. I mean, you know, your wound is sealed up. You don't really need anything else, you know, to put on there. So that wrap you get at Target or Walmart or whatever it is that's really expensive, that tape doesn't hold. And it's not really waterproof. So electrical tape is pretty heavy-duty stuff. It gets gooey after a while. But all right, so what we're going to do, if you haven't figured this out, we're just going to wrap my finger in the electrical tape or wrap it around it. Okay, so I'll show you in a sec when I get back to you what it's going to look like. Okay, here you go, guys. So I basically wrapped my finger in electrical tape. I didn't do the best job. You know, this is just temporary, but I was getting tired of the Band-Aid falling off. So, you know, if you use white electrical tape, it's going to draw a lot less tension. As you're wrapping it, you don't want to wrap it so tight it cuts your circulation off. You just want to create sort of a seal. And it's good to have maybe a scissors handy, because when you pull on the electrical tape to snap it like I did, it actually makes it tighter. So, and your finger can be flexible here, so you can continue to work on a job. You can wear gloves over this, and sometimes it'll slip off, but it's like a little sleeve. You can just slide it right back on. But I'll just tell you, this is great because Band-Aids are always coming off, especially in work gloves, and this is the ultimate way to keep them from, you know, coming off when you wash your hands and other things. And electrical tape is semi-waterproof. So, but basically when you're starting to wrap it, you want to wrap it around the outside. Let's see. You want to start on the outside edge. I'll show you with this. Right here, on the outside edge of the Band-Aid, right around here. You don't want to wrap over the middle of the Band-Aid, and then just kind of go over so the Band-Aid has full coverage. Okay, guys, well, hopefully this helped, and I really appreciate you watching electrical tape for wrapping your wounds with a Band-Aid. Don't I put Neosporin on it under the Band-Aid and then electrical tape, and then your wounds are going to heal a lot faster, I think, because they're airtight. All right, guys, hit that like button if this helped you out, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.